Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Slack for client communication. So without further ado, let's dive in. So start by creating a dedicated Slack workspace especially for client communication. This will help keep all the discussion and files organized. If you are working on multiple projects, consider creating a separate channels for each one. Alright, for specific discussion, you can create a channels by tapping the Create Channel option. Example include project updates, feedback, or general discussion. You can also send a direct message for one-on-one conversation to keep the communication private. Alright, you can easily share your files and documents in Slack by dragging and dropping them into channel or direct message, or by using the file upload button. Additionally, features like threads allow for organized discussion and the later option helps you save message from the clients. You can find this option on the homepage at the top center of your screen. Alright, which is great for organizing workflow and settings reminders. Alright, it is also important to set up your notification by tapping your profile in the upper right corner. This ensures you don't miss any important message from your clients. So, that's how you can use Slack for client communication. I hope these guides help you to manage your interaction smoothly. Thanks for watching and have a great time collaborating.